In this video, we'll talk about WLFI, one of the more interesting tokens right now, but it's dumping and it cannot find a floor. It did manage to find a temporary floor around the 2060 area, but nothing after. Nothing after. We couldn't get the shorts to close. If we got at least a little bit of shorts closed, that would be very good. But at this point, what can we do? I would be interested in longing though. I would be interested in longing this. So what I'll do here is I'll go to the cooking trades. I will go for, I'll move it to the almost long. And if we can get all we need to do is get a shorts closed and then we enter. So I'm interested in a very quick pullback to the VWAP. So basically entering right here on 30 minutes, right? Let me remove the magnet too. So entering right here and a pullback to the VWAP. So that's basically how I'll be trading WLFI. If you're wondering how I'm up to 162 grand from meme coins, 28 grand on this new wallet, and how we're getting such good results with the futures trades, use the link in the description down below to sign up for my course and my Signal chat. I price them out pretty cheap, especially the course. If you buy the course right now, just message me on Telegram, and for next week I'll add you to the Signal chat for free for a month. Also, I have links in the description down below to BLOFIN because they're giving away a $30 bonus and $50. You just gotta deposit $50, you get $30 on top of that at 60%, and a 50% discount on your spot fees. Love with all my heart. See you next video. Bye.